I got a brand new tripod. Let's go. Hey guys, so here's the new tripod. It is a Benro Mach3 Series 1 tripod. This one is all aluminum, and I just wanted to go over some of the reasons why I chose this one. This is not a review because I just got it a week ago. I just want to go over sort of the features I was looking at and some of the features that made me want to buy it. I wasn't actually looking for a tripod, but this one came up and I'll explain why I got it. Number one, the price was incredible. It was $149 Canadian, which is really cheap. It was on sale. It was an overstock at Vistek up here in Canada, which was a great buy, and I just couldn't resist it. Number two, the weight of it. So at under 4 pounds, this is a light tripod. It's lighter than my main Manfrotto. This is going to be great taking on the trails when I have heavier lenses and just need something a little bit more robust than my Benro Slim, which is super light at 2.2 pounds. Other reasons I like it are it has twist locks, and if you've seen my other videos, you know how I feel about twist locks. I have mixed feelings because of some of the past tripods that I've had. I can tell you Benro is one of those companies that actually gets twist locks right, and they're really easy to use. These are such beefy rubber locks. You can really get your hands on them and easily open them up. I mean, it's just no problem. Like, simple, and they lock. It's so incredibly simple. I love them, and these have changed my thinking about twist lock legs on tripods. So the other thing I like is the collar here. I've seen other people talk about this collar and not like it. I actually really like it because I find it opens so quickly. And that's the other feature right there. You notice when I pulled that out, you're gonna notice the center column. This comes with a short center column. Do you know how many manufacturers make you buy the center column? And they're not cheap, they're really expensive. So Benro, for this Mach3 series, they give you the regular center column, and then they give you the short center column. For me, that was a huge bonus. I was paying $150 and I got this included. So it absolutely was something that, you know, sold me on it for sure. And then that just goes in there and the collar locks and you're done. The other thing I really like about this tripod is once I have that center column on, then I can lower it right down as low as I need to get it and get some of those really low down video shots, which are essential. And there you go. There's the tripod sitting right flat on the ground, and I can get those low shots and don't have to worry about this bad boy hitting the soil all the time and not letting me get right down to ground level. Those are just a few of the reasons that I love this Benro tripod. I'm going to give it a full workout over the next few months, and I will do a full review on it. So far though, I've got another Benro, and I gotta say, the quality of this one looks great, and of course the price of Benros are amazing. And if you watched my last video, you know I talked about the leveling ball head, which I did put on this tripod as well. Benro Mach3 Series 1 tripod. Can't wait to take this out into the field and use it more. Those are just a few reasons about why I bought it.